Dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed regarding the definition of computer and the fundamentals of computers. So don't worry because I am just giving you the introduction about your subject, what actually the computer means and what are its characteristics. Okay, and you know that computer is an electronic machine, but you have to learn something more regarding the computer. If you have basic knowledge about computer, then only you can able to understand the next chapters, the syllabus, whatever prescribed by the PU board for your first PUC. Those things you will going to understand only if you know the basic things regarding computers. Otherwise, it will be little bit difficult for you to understand the concept. So here, I am just giving introduction about the computer. So once again, I welcome you all because we have done the welcome program for your first PUs and we have sent in your groups the complete video, and our principal, Sister Vanita John, has given a meaningful and the most important wordings, and she has addressed you in that video. So now in your syllabus you are having 14 chapters. Among those chapters, the fundamentals of computer is your first chapter. Okay, if you learn that, then we shall move to the next chapter. That chapter is depend on some problems, just like conversion of one type of code into some other type of code, just like binary code to decimal code, binary code to octal code, binary code to hexadecimal code, then decimal code to binary code, decimal to octal, then decimal to hexadecimal. Like this, in your second chapter, we will going to discuss. So many of you may have computers or laptops in your home. Make use of those things. Don't waste time in playing games and don't waste time by using internet, watching movies, watching clips and creating different types of videos and all. Don't waste your time in all these activities. So it is better for you that you make use of your computer. What I will explain here. Okay, you check in your computer whether these things are present with my computer or with my laptop. Then you can come to know something regarding your syllabus. Whether your syllabus includes the things which you have with your computer and all those things. And one more thing I like to say you is, every one of you are using smartphones. So smartphone is similar to that of the computer. Okay, there is no difference because when you check to buy a smartphone, then you will see the specifications of your smartphone. In those specifications, you will going to check the capacity of your camera. What is the capacity of a rear camera and what is the capacity of front camera? Okay, then after that, you will going to check the storage of your mobile. First thing you will going to see, so how much internal storage has given and how much external storage, just like memory chipset, which we will call it as memory card, can be inserted in the mobile phone. These going to check. And after that, you will going to check what is the RAM, what is the capacity of RAM in that mobile phone. Okay, based on all these specifications, you will going to purchase the mobile. And apart from internal storage, external storage, camera and RAM, one more thing you will going to check, that is the processor. Okay, now at present 3 gigahertz processor is of the best speed processor available in your smartphones. Okay, how you will check the specifications of your mobile? All these specifications are present in your computer or laptop also. But in your PC, that is computer, camera will not be available. You need to fix the separate web camera for your computer. But those who have laptops with you, you are having a camera readily available, selfie camera on the screen, on the monitor, on the top of your laptop monitor. Okay, if this is your laptop monitor, on the top screen is present below here, desktop is present here, and on the top or in the corner you will get a camera. Then after that, your PC, that is your computer, and your laptop, both the things are having internal storage, that is hard disk. It may be of 500 GB. In laptops starting from 320 GB, okay, up to 2 TB. 2 TB means 2000 GB. Okay, in laptop. But in computer, that is PC, desktop, starting from 500 GB, okay, up to 10,000 GB. Up to 10,000 GB is available. And apart from these two things, okay, processors are also available, just like Intel, okay, Intel, Celeron, AMD, Asus, and many more. These are the names of the processor. But now we are using names of the processor, company manufacturers, but the capacity of the processors. Now what we are using is in both the things, in laptops and also in computers also, in laptops and computers, in both the things, the same manufacturer processors are used, but the capacity of the processors is Core i3, then Core i5, then Core i7. These are the most fastest processors of your computer. So why I am going to explain you all these things? Because you are coming to the computer science department. You are learning about the computer science. So you need to remember these basic things regarding any of the computer. Okay, and basically now your smartphones are having Android operating system. Smartphones are having Android operating system. The same way, laptops and PCs, they are having Windows operating system. Windows operating system. Now at present, the fastest, the trending operating system is Windows 10 everywhere. And in second place, Windows 7 is using. Most probably, the fastest working and the trending operating systems are Windows 10 and in second place is Windows 7. If these operating systems are not installed in your computer, not both, any of these, if not installed in your computer or in your laptop, then your system will not go into start. Your system will not get start. Okay, operating system is like the blood in the human body. Okay, as the blood is present in human body, the same way operating system should be present in the computer or in your laptop. If take the example of your Android phone, if Android system is not installed in your mobile phone, then what will happen? Your mobile phone, your smartphone will not go into start. By using your internet, you have checked in your Android phone, you may get the notification. Okay, software updation is available. Software update is available. Software update is available. What this actually means? What is meant by updation? Okay, the operating system or the software which you are using with your smartphone will be updated. It means changes are done in your operating system. Software means maybe your Android operating system, or maybe the applications whichever you have installed or whichever present in your smartphone. Those applications or your Android software will go into update. If you click on yes, then it will take some time to update along with internet connection. It requires internet connection either from SIM or from Wi-Fi connection. Okay, then only your software is going to be updated. When your software is updated, then your smartphone will work more effectively than how it is working previously, and you will get the effective graphics, the effective visuals in your smartphone. So these are the basic things which you need to know. The same thing here, in the difference between Windows 7 and Windows 10 is that Windows 7 is the previous operating system than Windows 10. If you install Windows 7, then it will give effective work and some graphical visuals. But if you update or if you upgrade, that means if you install Windows 10, if you remove Windows 7 and you will install Windows 10, then graphics will be more effective than Windows 7. And visuals, whatever you will see on your monitor, that is computer screen, on your desktop, they are very effective to look. Okay, so this is called as updation or the upgrade of your software. Understood? I think you have understood these things. So why I am explaining you these things means you need to know all about these things. If you get any doubt regarding these things or regarding computer, you can ask me personally. I am ready to answer every time for you. So dear students, you have learned that computer is an electronic calculating machine. It's an automatic calculating machine also. Okay, but the same way here, mobile is similar to that of computer, but only the difference is mobile is using Android operating system, but the computers are using Windows operating system. Only this is the difference. But both the things are same. Now in mobile phones also we are getting 256 GB of internal memory and 6 GB of RAM. Whereas in laptops and all we will use RAM is starting from 2 GB. Okay, available up to 32 GB of RAM. Both in laptop and in computers. So like this, they are both are similar. If you think about these things, then you will going to understand something. If you do not compare your smartphone with your laptop or computer, then you will not understand anything. Okay, in your smartphone, you will see some icons on the desktop, on the screen of your smartphone. Just like my files, okay, Google includes every Google thing, just like Google Chrome, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and so on. Okay, like that. And you may install some other applications whichever needed. And the default applications are clock is default, calculator is default, then calendar is default, then sim services is default. Okay, then like this many things are there. Then call features, that is the default icon in your screen. Then camera, okay, these icons are by default, they will present. If you try to delete also, you cannot able to delete these things. And now in advanced smartphones, you are getting Facebook as default and WhatsApp as default and some other things as default. Okay, but if you try to delete from your phone, you cannot able to delete because they are default present. Okay, if you want to install, you can install more things, then you will get those icons on your screen of your mobile. The same way here in computer also icons are present. First my documents are present, then after that my computer. In Windows 10, this can be given as the name which you will give, that name will be given for documents, and my computer will be called as this PC, and after that network, then recycle bin. Okay, like this Internet Explorers. Okay, and many icons are present by default. Then after that, whichever software you will going to install, those softwares will appear on your desktop, on your computer's desktop, on your laptop's desktop. So these are the similarities between the smartphone and the computer or the laptop. This is the general class I am giving for, not going to syllabus. These are the general things you need to understand. So watch this clearly, and what I am speaking, note down the points. Then ask me about those points. I will explain you again in detail. Then definitely you will get understand. Hope dear students, what I am saying and what I have written on the board, you have understood clearly. Those who are having the computer knowledge, basic knowledge, they can understand very easily. But those who are not having the basic knowledge, okay, you keep your smartphone with you, okay, and check whatever the things I am speaking. Okay, then search in Google Chrome the hardware of computers. Then you will get all the things. What is hard disk? What is RAM? And what is processor, and what are the capacities of all these things, you will get in detail. If you open Google in Google Chrome, then click on the option images. After getting images, then you type computer hardware or computer spares, then you will get everything in detail. Then after that, open the same Google Chrome, type there, select images only, then type smartphone hardware or SAM. Give your mobile phone model, whichever you are using, and give in front the specifications of mobile or the hardware of mobile. Then you will get images of the parts and the spares of your mobile. Like this, if you compare your mobile with your computer, then you will come to know something Not only something, you will learn many more things regarding the computers. So dear students, this is my second class. In first class, I have shown you and I have written what is the definition of the computer and what are the characteristics of computer. Okay, now going to the main things of the computer. So I felt it is better to explain you all these things. Okay, in our next class, we shall move to the main things of the computer. Okay, what is this Windows 7, Windows 10 and what is this Android? Okay, and what are these capacities, what they all called as 200 GB, 1000 GB, 2 GB, 32 GB, what RAM is called as and what hard disk is called as and what processor is called as and how they will going to work, what are the functions of these things, okay, and what are the applications of these things we are going to learn in our next class. Dear students, hope you have understood and I know you will understand clearly. If you cannot understand, okay, even if you understand also, then also you will raise the questions. If you not understand, then also you will raise the question. Okay, anyhow, in both the ways, ask me questions. I am ready for you to answer anytime. Thank you.